Alright everyone, in today's video I want to show you another way to unlock the pattern lock screen on your Samsung A22. In some cases I want to remind you that you'll need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any programs, files or anything like that. It's just so the phone can enter recovery mode, so you can go there and select the unlock option, okay? In a moment I'll talk about the Google account. You can see that it's locked with a screen lock. It shows the padlock, which means it's locked here, or the pin as it's asking for. We're going to leave it on this emergency screen to do the unlock, which is better. You're going to press the volume down and power buttons together at the same time. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up. Let's wait. Here it went back because this button here is a bit faulty, but let's try again. Hold volume down and power. Keep holding until the device restarts, as we said. Keep holding. Now release the volume down. Press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode, as we mentioned. Let's wait. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I'd like to ask you to subscribe and leave your like. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and we'll be sure to answer. Just a few more seconds. Keep holding. There you go everyone. Once you reach this screen, I want to remind you that this procedure will also work for other Samsung models. In a moment, I'll talk about unlocking the Google account, in case you need it, alright? On this screen, we're going to scroll down by pressing the volume down button until the fifth option, where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset, then confirm with the power button. On this next screen, scroll down again with the volume down button and confirm once more. On this screen, we'll wait for the information to finish loading so we can continue with our unlocking process. Let's wait. On this screen, just confirm. Here, your device is already being unlocked. As you can see, it will restart and that lock screen password will be gone. You just need to set it up as usual and you'll have access to your phone again. If you need to unlock your Google account, we can help you with that remotely as well. Our number is in the video description or in the channel description. It's in one of those two places. If you need it, just get in touch and talk to me directly. You'll just need a computer, a USB cable, and the AnyDesk app, which is the program we use to connect and perform the remote unlocking procedure. If you don't have the AnyDesk app, we can send it to you as well. We handle the entire unlocking process from here, okay? If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel. Our pics will be in the video description, no matter the amount. What matters is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you. That was today's video. Thanks. Take care.